Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. It gives me so much of happiness to promote this wonderful creation, 108 Bharathanatyam Jathis, by none other than our very own Chidambaram Suresh, who is an upcoming brilliant Natwanar, dancer, dance teacher. For the dancer, the talam, the word talam consists of the syllables Tandava and Lasya. The dance of Lord Shiva and Parvati together form this concept of tala or rhythm, the rhythm in the universe. And this is very central to the dancer. And these beautiful jatis are beautiful constructs of phrases. In the ancient times, they were simpler in calculation. And as time goes, we find that more and more dancers and natwanars plunge into the samudram of Laya and discover beautiful pearls of phrases, the complexities of gatis, jatis, uh, jatis, and so on and so forth. We come across so many beautiful constructs. And Chidambaram Suresh has really researched and spent a lot of time uh, developing through his experience in dance and his experience in Laya and has come up with these beautiful jatis, which are an eye opener to a lot of us dancers, to see creative possibilities that could emerge. When we hear certain rhythmic constructs, it makes us think in original ways. The adavus are innovated similarly to suit those kind of phrasing. And this is a beautiful inspiration to dancers to create, to recreate. The 108 jatis, while they are so beautiful, would trigger in us possibilities when we were to choreograph as constructs, as models to build upon and elaborate. So, wishing him all the very best on this beautiful launch of this book. And to all of us out there, this is a great treasure which we can all enjoy. I highly recommend us all to procure a book like this and keep it and study it with diligence to find out more and more about possibilities that can exist in this world of Bharatanatyam. Thank you.